Hey guys, welcome to the Impeccable Investor. Today we are going to tell you the 10 stocks to look at in 2020. Before going into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our videos. Back to the video. Stocks are uncertain. It's quite hard to predict when the stock value will increase and when it will drop. So there will be a hint of uncertainty in every investor when it comes to buying or selling the stocks. So today we would like to tell you about the 10 stocks to look at in 2020. Number 10. Amazon.com. Amazon is the world's largest cloud computing and e-commerce giant, and at present, it is at the pinnacle of its success. The company is doing really well and there are pretty good growth prospects. Now, when it comes to Amazon, a lot of people look only at e-commerce business. But cloud services are really important for Amazon, and these particular stocks are most likely to have high returns. Number 9. Intuitive Surgical. Robotic assisted surgical systems are the future of medicine. Intuitive Surgical is the best of the best in this particular field. Even when compared with other robotic assigned surgical systems, Intuitive Surgical is making exceptionally well and is way ahead than its competitors. So it is highly unlikely that its stocks are going to fall. But they are expensive as the company is dealing with cutting-edge technology, but they are promising too. Number 8. Nextera Energy. Nextera Energy is a company that is generating electricity from renewable resources. With the increasing carbon footprinting and climate change, numerous companies are entering into the field of renewable resources. But Nextera Energy is very successful among them. But in the coming decade, one can expect huge returns from them. Number 7. Exelixis. Although pharmaceutical industries are not in a very good place right now, this cancer drug developer is ruling the market with its breakthrough drug, carbamidix, which is used to treat advanced forms of renal cell carcinoma, kidney cancer, and hepatocellular carcinoma, liver cancer. This drug is said to deliver the annual sales growth of 10% through 2022, so it is a very good investment opportunity for good returns. Number 6. Pinterest. This social media company is slowly gaining its popularity. With over 322 million subscribers, the company is in a very good run. As of now, the company is aggressively trying to expand its market intentionally, and by far it has done pretty well. With increasing computer knowledge and necessity, the company will likely do even better in the future, so it is a good stock to look at in 2020. Number 5. SSR Mining. These gold and silver miners are continuing to be successful in 2022. The scarcity of minerals is a huge winning point for this company. As for SSR Mining, it's on the verge of 30% increase in gold production from its flagship Marigold mine in Nevada. 205,000 ounces per year to an estimate 265,000 ounces. And the company has delivered record gold production from the CB mine in Canada every year since acquiring it in 2016. It really is a very good option for stock purchases. Number 4. Innovative Industrial Properties. This is a bit unconventional. This is a marijuana stock. Innovative Industrial Properties is a cannabis-focused real estate investment trust that buys marijuana growing and processing facilities, then leases them out for a long time. The idea is a bit unique, but still, it is doing exceptionally well in the past few years. This is something everyone has to look at in 2020. Number 3. Facebook. What else could be better than the social media giant? Facebook has been doing exceptionally well and is also buying a lot of other social media companies. The user count is increasing every day, so is the stock value. The latest AI program launched by them is also making some breakthroughs and can make some significant progress in the future. So it pretty much is a good stock to look at. Number 2. LaVon Go Health. Diabetes is the biggest problem a lot of people facing around the world. It is the 7th leading cause of death in the US. So anything that deals with this issue has to be successful. LaVon Go Health is one such company and is pretty successful. LaVon Go's suite of wirelessly connected devices helps diabetics, as well as folks with hypertension or who are overweight. Over the past year, the company's patient count has more than doubled to 208,000, with sales rising 148% to $46.7 million in its most recent quarter. So it is something one has to keep in mind while looking at stocks. Number 1. Visa. We are living in the age of digital currency. Visa can be called the leader of it. Visa is taking over a lot of countries' markets and is doing it very successfully. If you're looking for stocks that are safe and will have good returns, this is for you. That's the end of our video, guys. Do you find it helpful? If yes, please like and share this video, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.